Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. What we have for sale today is a 2005 Yamaha 250. This is an HPDI. It is a two-stroke. This one is a 20-inch model. Not sure what control box you're going to need. We can figure that out. I can sell you one either at cost, or if I have a good used one, I can throw that in. This one came back 90 PSI on all 6 cylinders. It'll come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new lower unit lube. The lower unit was pressure tested good, and then the fuel system was cleaned. We'll go ahead and fire this one up. I will need the fan, and I will not be revving this one up. I'll do it a little bit, but I'm not breaking this tank, and this will definitely do it. Give it a minute to warm up here. It is cavitating in the tank. There's just not enough water in this little tank. Go ahead and put it in reverse. Anybody who knows these engines know you cannot play with the throttle. You need to shift it quickly or it will bind. Rev it up a little bit here. And shut it off. Fire it back up. If we had the other tank set up, I'd have no problem revving this up, but in this one we've already had to have it fixed once from a bigger engine. I'm not doing it again. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.